It's only now, now or never, now, now, forever, now, now or never, or never. It's only now, now or never, now, now, forever, now, now or never, or never.
So, what do you think?
It was a good night, I really enjoyed myself.
I did. I thought there were, you know, the way the team pulled together.
Yeah.
All the students to make a new brigade on a night like that's not easy, is it?
No, and you know, they were really keen to get involved. Cooking the fish, prepping the fish,
yeah,
you know, plating up.
The butchery,
yeah.
the meringue, you know, the Italian meringue, just the whole. It's nice to see a bit of fire, a bit of passion.
You know, I think as well in the industry at the minute you struggle for chefs. It's nice to see chefs coming through. You know, you want to cook, and there's a lot of passion in there in the room, isn't there?
All ages, one at 15, one at 33,
exactly,
and everything in the middle.
That was fantastic.
It restores your faith a little bit when you see a night like that.
They've done a cracking job.
Yeah,
cracking job.
Yeah,
I made up. Well worth it. Well worth it.
I'm bloody knackered.
Need a beer now.
Ching. No, it was really good.
Yeah, nice one anyway.
Good to see you as always. Yeah, thanks, mate.
Let's make this last.